Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney back with another video. I just want to wish everybody a happy new year and a Merry Christmas. Um, Today is the 23rd of December. I just wanted to hop on here and do a video real quick about one of my number one side hustles, and that's Prize Rebel. So the link for this will be in the description. They are giving a bonus for signing up if you use my link. So we're going to go over Prize Rebel today and how I use it every single day passively to earn an income. So when you sign up, here's the home screen. Okay. There's a lot of offers. You can go through it. Okay. There's a bunch of surveys. There's offer walls. You can refer family and friends and earn points in your sleep, just like I'm doing here. A simple video, one video a week. Put your referral link in the description. Anybody can do this. Okay. So right here, I'm going to show you the levels. When you sign up, you're going to be bronze. Okay. Then when you reach 1,000 points, you turn to silver. Then gold, 4,500 points. You get gold. Platinum is 10,000 and diamond is 16,000. Okay. So you want to get to gold, so it's automatic prize processing, and then here's your prize discounts on any gift cards but PayPal. Okay. And then your special bonus at the first of every month. Okay. Automatic prize processing. If you refer people, you get 30% of your diamond of your referrals earnings. Okay. Why is that important? Because this is passive income. Okay. So I'm going to show you, even if you don't have referrals, how you can earn money starting today. Okay. So we're going to go to the earns tab. Always check up here. And today has a survey bonus. So you enter here now and you'll click it and then they'll take you to that. Okay. They're doing free raffle tickets right now. Try our daily dose of luck. Click here to claim your free daily raffle entry. So we can do that. Always make sure you check out the site. See what I want to enter. I'm going to enter one raffle ticket. Let me see. I have 0 tickets because I already did this. So that's fine. I'm not going to spend any of my points to enter the raffle because that's not what I choose to do. So we're going to go to the earns tab. You can go to surveys. Here's all the survey providers. Okay. You can go to InBrain, to Luna, Pro, your surveys, and do surveys if you like surveys. Every 100 points is $1. So I have $1.45 right now. I stick with the offer walls. Ascend Media, I play videos in the background and let them play. When I'm at work or when I'm busy, I just let them play. Okay. You can do all of these offers. If you want to do them, you can. I always come up here and I go to easiest and I knock out these offers. You sign up for Raid Shadow Legends, you get $2 or you get 9,200, and there's probably you have to beat a level or something. But I do all of these that are easy. Word search iOS, you get 6.6 points. So 6 cents. AdGate, Lootably, Toro X, InBrain, Revenue Universe I use. And then I'll show you the rewards. This site is very, very easy to navigate. It always has. We've got PayPal, we've got Amazon, we've got Apple, we've got a Visa card, we've got Walmart, we've got an American Express, BitPay. We've got Albertsons, okay? We got Walmart, we got Roblox, we got Dunkin', we've got Container Store. There's so many, okay? And you can filter them over here. They do crypto now, so you can click on crypto. You can set your reward goal. Like I have mine set to PayPal. You can always change that. And it tells you I need 355 more points to cash out. Over here, you can see what everybody's cashing out for. This site does really work. I've been using it for years. Always check your inbox. Win a $10 or $50 Amazon gift card, a $25 eBay gift card, a $20 Steam Wallet gift card. Okay. You can invite your friends. So we'll look at my referral stats. Okay. 72 clicks. And I've had people click, but they don't sign up. Okay. So I've had a lot of clicks on my videos, and I just keep doing these videos, guys. Referrals don't matter to me. If I need to make $5, I jump on here, I do some offers, I watch some videos, I do some surveys, I make my $5 and I leave. Okay. I'm just sharing this to help other people. You can also do raffles, lucky numbers, enter in contests. But make sure you get a YouTube channel and you do these videos daily. Okay. At least once a week. Okay. And you're just going to do what I'm doing, and you're going to show people how they can earn money just by doing this as well. That's all you're going to do. Okay. It's not hard to do this once a week. Because you can see the last 7 days, my clicks. People click, but how many points that I've earned lifetime is $82.81. Okay. I have 117 referrals, but if those referrals don't do anything, you don't make any money. Total clicks, 4,351 people. Okay. So I'm earning 30%. Okay. But again, as I said, I don't earn anything if you don't sign up and you don't do anything. So I always just say, okay, I need to get on today and earn $10. And I do what I need to do and I get off. Okay. Here's some of the things I do. Like I said, I watch videos. I do Revenue Universe offers. I do AdGate. Here's my November level bonus. Okay. Daily challenge. When you complete your daily challenge, you get AdGate offers. I just get on here and I do things. Okay. 25 points earned today, 0 yesterday. Points earned this month, $1.33. Points earned this year, $67.71. Lifetime points, I've earned $655.63. Rewards claimed, 114. Total referrals, 117. Referral points, 0. Okay. So I wanted to get on here. I wanted to share this site with you. My referral link will be in the description. When you click it and sign up, you do get a bonus. If you have any questions, please drop them below. I do answer the comments. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you found value in this. Because at the end of the day, this is free. I'm giving earning bombs so that you can maximize your extra income. So make sure you click the link down in the description, sign up. It's totally free. I hope I see you on the next video. I hope you guys have a great holiday season and a happy new year. And I will talk to you guys soon.